welcome to our video. Today, we're exploring 5 beautiful properties in Spain, starting from the most affordable and working our way up to the most expensive on this list. We'll begin at just 380,000 euros, then move up through properties priced at 445,000 euros, 450,000 euros, 749,950 euros, and finally reach the top property at 7,950,000 euros. Whether you're dreaming of a peaceful coastal home, a modern apartment, or a charming villa surrounded by Spanish scenery, this video has something for you. If you're interested in international travel, vacation rentals, or perhaps even buying property abroad, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next property tour. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this smooth countdown of affordable properties in Spain from 380,000 euros all the way up to 7,950,000 euros. Let's get started.